Come test drive the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.